I ran to the door and found this PR package from Dove. It's the Crown collection. I was so excited because it's all about the self-love and embracing natural hair, and you know I'm all about that. First thing, I found the Scalp shampoo. I had to hop in the shower. The texture of the shampoo felt like an aloe vera gel, and that got me excited. It felt great on my scalp. I felt like it gave me a really good cleansing. Next in the box is the Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner. So I used this as step 1 of my styling routine. I just applied it all over my hair, mid to ends. Next was the defining buttercream. I used this as my holding products for my step 2 in my styling routine. Applied it generously all over my hair. I was very surprised of how thick it was. I wasn't sure if I was using too much products on my hair. You can see here it just kind of foamed up. It got me really nervous. My whole head was white. I used it exactly as instructed and kept telling myself to just trust the process and see what happened. I let it air dry, and the results, oh my god, they came out super soft. I had the softest curls, the most defined curls, no frizz. It smelled amazing. I got lots of compliments of how my hair smelled that day, and my hair lasted me about 3 to 4 days, no problems. It was a win, especially because I didn't use any gel, just the leave-in conditioner and the buttercream. I also got a bonnet, a baby hairbrush, and this very cool tote bag. Okay, bye.